There. In this video, I want to describe how you can use AI to automatically tag images. Um, you can do this in bulk using Parse Prompt, and in the rest of this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Parse Prompt to do this. But let's dive in. I just want to show you how you can start extracting really important metadata from images using the most recent OpenAI GPT-4 Vision model. So if you want to do this with Parse Prompt, create an account, input your OpenAI key, and what you can do is you can create a prompt template. Now, what a prompt template does is it gives you the ability to kind of provide a series of instructions to then generate the output that you're looking for. So in this example, we're providing an image URL as the input, and the output that we're hoping to have is a JSON object. If you're non-technical and you don't know what JSON is, think of it as like a structured set of outputs. You can see here I also have the ability to set the max tokens. Long story short here, this controls the length of the output that you'll see here in a second. This is less relevant for this demo. You can also choose the temperature. The lower the temperature, the more kind of predictable and in some ways at times robotic the output can be. If the temperature is higher, it is more creative and can be random at times. Then what you want to do is you want to provide a series of instructions for the prompt. So in this example, I want to take that image URL and I want to describe it and tag it with no more than 5 labels. I want to keep the output somewhat constrained. And you may recall, I want to make this a JSON object. So you can see here, I actually earlier provided in an image of a hot dog, and you can see that it provided colors and a description and other kind of keys and values. Now let's do that again, this time with a Tesla vehicle. So let's dive into the prompts. Let's input data. Just type in car. You'll notice here that we have the ability to upload many image URLs at once. You basically can download a CSV, input a bunch of image URLs, and then run a batch process. So if you're trying to do a bunch of images, tagging them and labeling them all at once, you should definitely use this feature. Now let's process the data. Sometimes the new model can be a little finicky, but you can see here that it correctly identified, rear angle view of a white electric sedan with a sleek design, distinctive manufacturer logo on the trunk. You can see it provides a series of tags as well. And so what you can do with this is, if you want, you can make this even more structured. So in your prompt that you build, you can say, I want it to return the output in this specific format. Additionally, if you set up our Zapier integration, a cool thing that you can do is basically you can save this output into Google Drive. You could create more advanced logic. Think, if the description is this, send me a text message, or if the description is something else, send me an email. You can really hook up some powerful automations using Zapier on Parse Prompt. But long story short, this is how Parse Prompt works. It does this not only for images, but also for a variety of other formats. So you can see it can parse PDFs, web pages, YouTube URLs, audio files, image URLs, and hopefully more in the future. So the idea here is you can take one media asset and you can generate lots of different content using AI. So it allows you to really repurpose your content in new and unique ways, and to do it much, much faster. So long story short, this is Parse Prompt. This is how it works. It leverages OpenAI. If you want to use Anthropic, you can do that too, although I don't believe they have an image model available yet. But yeah, give Parse Prompt a try. It is free. We have a 7-day free trial, and pricing starts at $25 a month. So that being said, I hope this demo was useful, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.